Today I'll show you how I make this lentil bread. This is gluten-free bread that you can make on your own. Very easy and it tastes good. This is alternative for gluten-free recipe for your bread. So I bet you if you try this, you will stick to it. Very easy. And you can see the texture is so nice. I love it. I love the way it tastes and the texture is awesome. I hope you'll get to try this recipe. Just sit back and watch the steps and I know you'll get it right. So here I'm using 2 cups of red lentil in making this recipe. So I have to run it through water. So it's important to wash it thoroughly because lentil has a strong taste. If you don't wash it properly, the taste will take over everything. So it's important to give it a good wash. So I have to wash it through running water. So at this time, I will keep washing it until the water turns clear. Okay. So the essence of doing this is to make sure to get rid of all those starch and especially the taste, because the more you wash it, the more the taste will be very mild. Okay, because it has a very strong taste that can overpower all the ingredients. You can see the water is turning more clear now. So I think I'm done washing. So now I'll be blending it. So I added coconut milk, 1 cup of coconut milk. So you can use water if you don't have coconut milk, but I prefer to use coconut milk for blending it. So if today is your first time seeing my video, you're highly welcome. This is dietary. Thank you so much for coming by, for watching my video. And remember, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like my video, comment, and please share. Thank you. So one thing about this lentil is that it's easy to blend. So it's not hard to blend. So now I'm done with the blending and I'm scooping it out. So I added half cup of coconut oil, salt to taste, and baking powder. So I'll be listing out all the ingredients that I use for this recipe. So remember to mix everything to well combine. So if you don't have coconut oil, you can use any oil of your choice. Yes, remember I'm making a healthy alternative to wheat bread. So I'm done mixing it and now I'll be pouring the batter inside my pan. Use any pan of your choice for this recipe. So I want to use this bread pan for it. It's already greased and I put parchment paper on it so that it's easy not to stick on the pan. Tried it, it tastes good. So I sprinkle some sesame seed on top. So this is optional. If you want, you can do that, but if you don't want, it's still okay. So ready to bake. I'll bake this for 20 minutes. So this is after baking. After 20 minutes of baking, my bread is ready. My lentil bread is ready. Hope you get to try this healthy choice. Hope you can try this. It's very easy to make. It doesn't require a lot of ingredients. Very easy, and it tastes good. You can see it came out so well. Wow, look at the texture. So good. So will you be trying this out? This is a good alternative if you are scared of eating bread, or you don't like bread, or you're avoiding bread. This is good alternative that you can try. When I tell you it's good, and it tastes great. You can see I love the texture. Hope you can try this recipe. Thank you for watching, and see you again on my next video. Bye.